Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how to add a new page in your WordPress. So first of all, go ahead and go to your dashboard on your WordPress, just like so, and from here we will show you everything. It will be quickly and fast for you. So what you have to do is go ahead and open wordpress.com/wp-admin and put your username and password, and after this page will load for you, go ahead and open page section. Here you will be able to see all the pages. You will be able to remove them, schedule them, and make them go to trash or delete them. Of course, now we have to do is add new page. So click on new page, and it will take a lot of seconds. So here WordPress will give you a lot of templates. As you can see, there is this templates which will be like e-commerce template. Here is some blog templates, coming soon page, about me page, organic gallery, two column page. There's a lot of template that WordPress will give you. I'm even now on the tutorial, not tutorial, on trial version of WordPress. But if you have the premium version, they will give you a bunch of others like pages. Here you can see even the sections. If you want something exactly, for example, if you want the gallery page, you can click on this one, it will be added. Here you click on this picture, and for example come here, you can make them a vertical or like aligned. Here you can change the picture itself. Let's see, hide more settings. Here you can lock the page, remove the image, select parent block from gallery. Here also, like for example, let's try to remove one of these. We click here, it will remove, and it will look something like that. You can really mix a lot of designs using these templates in your page. So now after we do so, we can click on publish, and just like so, this page will be added to your site, guys. So you come here, view page, and here it is in your website. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually add a new page to your WordPress website. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.